Hello and welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and on my channel I like to share everything that you need to know to live an essential oil based and natural lifestyle. So today we're going to be making some shampoo bars. I've run out and I need to make some more. I don't use traditional shampoos anymore just to cut down on my plastic usage. Plus when I make my things myself, then I get to control the ingredients that are in it. So today it's shampoo bars, and I'm going to try to make these more conditioning shampoo bars. So we're going to be experimenting a little bit and see how they turned out. So let's go make our bars. Alright, so I have my 8 ounces of this Stevenson Syndopour Melt-and-Pour Base here. And this is what I'm going to use to make the shampoo bars. Now to color them, I'm going to add in some of this Caribbean blue color block. I just think it'll make it a lot easier to get an even color throughout the soap. So I'm going to add that in before I melt down the base. And with these color blocks, you just use a chunk of them. And if it is not enough color, you can always add in more. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this melted down in 30-second intervals until it is completely melted. Alright, so I have the base all melted down, so we're just going to stir to incorporate the color. That's that really pretty blue. And now into this, because I want it to be a moisturizing, a conditioning shampoo bar, I'm going to add a tablespoon of Colloidal Oats. And a teaspoon of Argan Oil. So get that poured in as well. And then I'm going to do my essential oils. And I am doing 15 drops each of Eucalyptus and Peppermint essential oils. Which will give it a really fresh and invigorating scent. Also, if you have any sort of respiratory things going on, it would help with that as well. And shampoo bars are really great. They're easy to travel with, plus it cuts down on plastic packaging, so they're very environmentally friendly. And these particular shampoo bars, this particular base, lathers really well. That's 15. And now give everything another stir. Making sure I'm getting those colloidal oats all dispersed throughout the bar or throughout the base. We don't want any clumps or anything like that. And the oatmeal is very soothing for your scalp, so it's a good one to add into this shampoo bar as well. It does take a little work to get the colloidal oats dispersed throughout the melt-and-pour base, so you will have to stir it quite a bit. I might go get a mini whisk. We'll see how it goes. Now you will see when you use a whisk, it will get some air bubbles in it, but that is okay. You really just want to make sure you get all of those colloidal oats incorporated, or as much as you can. If there's a few little lumps, it doesn't matter, but you do want to get it mixed up as best you can. This smells amazing. Eucalyptus and peppermint is one of my favorite combinations. All right, I think we are good there. And then I'm just gonna spritz the top with some isopropyl alcohol to cut down on some of those air bubbles. And then give it another good stir. There, see, that's better. I think all the chunks are gone. Well, most of the chunks are gone. There might still be a few in there. But overall, looking good. Now you'll notice this, the base is pretty transparent right now, but it'll become more opaque as it hardens. All right. This makes a good sized bar. And now we're just gonna let these harden up, and then once they've set for a couple of hours, we'll come back and unmold. All right, and we are back to unmold the shampoo bars. Okay, so they're good size. And I really get the eucalyptus and mint. You'll see there's a few flecks of the colloidal oatmeal, but overall it's blended in very well. It's blended in really well, and I like the Caribbean blue. I think the color blocks worked better than the mica did as far as coloring these. So yeah, that's all there is to it, and I'll give it a try and let you know how I liked it, whether it was more conditioning than just the base by itself. So overall, very happy with how they turned out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and that if you did, you'll stick around and subscribe and become part of my community here on YouTube. I also hope that this video inspired you to try making some shampoo bars for yourself. If you do, definitely let me know how they turned out. I love hearing about your creations as well. So if you do make the bars, just leave me a comment and let me know how they turned out for you. And take care, and until next time, bye.